All right, let's do 4.2. So Nikita receives the different pieces for assembling the mini aquarium tank. The pictures below show the different steps required to assemble one mini aquarium. You may assume the colors of the frames of the tank are the same in all the pictures. Okay, so we don't really care about the colors, but here are basically all these different steps. They're not necessarily in order. These are the type of questions where they often ask you like, what order are they, or to explain steps, etc. So don't spend too much time on that, rather jump to the questions. So just a reminder, if you want to do additional practice questions, download the AMPM app. The link is in the description. It is an app designed by myself and my husband to help you practice for your exams, right? It's for free. It's just there to make sure that you're on top of things. Okay, so choose a picture above that will match a written instruction below. Write down only the letter A, B, C, D, E, or F of the picture next to the question number. Okay, so basically we're doing like a match a column exercise here. Okay, so first question says, place the outer frame over the transparent inner to cover it. Okay, now to me, let's just look there. To me, that looks like D, right? Because you see how they are placing the outer frame over the transparent frame. So I'm going to say that's D, okay? Obviously, we'll go back and check because maybe another one looks like D. Let's look at 4.2.2. Pull in opposite direction to open the mini aquarium. Okay, the only one where we're pulling in opposite directions is A, right? You see the arrows there. The hole is for feeding or to put in a light. Now, the only one I'm seeing with a hole is this one here, right? So basically, you can open that and you put things in or a light. So that's going to be F, right? So currently we haven't repeated ourselves or anything, which is great. 4.2.4, one hand will hold the transparent inner tank while the other hand will hold the outer, right? So we need two hands. The only one with two hands that I can see is A and B, but we've already used A, so it must be B, right? And you see the one hand is holding the one at the bottom and the other one at the top, so that makes sense that that one's B, okay? So we just basically are navigating through this to make sure that we're on top of it, okay? So make sure you see that, okay? So that's B is our latest one. 4.2.5, add water and decorating items as you like. That looks like C for me because you can see that you've put in water and decorating things. So I'm going to say C. Okay. And then let's look for the last one. It says close tightly by pressing down on the frame. Okay. The only one we've left is E, right? And let's just see if that matches. So it is folding it down, closing it down and pressing it down. So that looks right. Okay, so obviously don't write this on your paper, but we're basically matching the different instructions to the different pictures. Okay, not a difficult question, but easy to rush through and not get correct. Remember to download the AMPM app.